a wonderful sightsee at Abuja. So I want you to join me. Let's do the sightseeing together in a beautiful place in Abuja. Yes, I know a lot of people that miss me here. You know, once in a while, you need to go in and out. Some situations are like that. So, okay, I am fully back. All right. A lot of people have sent me a message. I've missed your food video, your cooking video. I'm going to return the vibe back in full wings. Yes, in full tent, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you a wonderful sight. Look for you to see the environment of where I am at this moment. I just did a little visit. Yeah, so I'm going to be running very soon, but I want to carry you along, even if it's just for a few minutes. The nature, the natural environment is what I want you to see now. So let's do it together, guys. I'm just in a simple dressing and in a simple way and in a simple mode. So let's see it together. So let's do it. Okay, so this is the nature of the environment I want to showcase to you guys. All right, so I just took a stroll out just for you to see this. I just visited this place. All right, so this is where the children playground is. Yeah, it's a playground. Okay, and I'm not seeing a lot of children here. I don't know why, but this is a playground of the children, and this is like a nature place. All right, so this is a bar. Okay, and I just want to show you the environment, the green colors, the reality of life. Yeah, sometimes you just need to walk out from that place you are, the house, take yourself to a nature. In nature, yeah. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Okay, let's just walk through this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be strolling down to a crafts where they do a handcrafts. Seriously, to me, it looks like a shrine. Hey, my God. But we're going to see together how it looks. So this is the walk path to where I am going to. Okay, this is a walk path. It's like a shrine, but it's not. So it's just gonna be a few minutes video. So this is a walk path to where I am going to, because I want to use my eyes to see things and the environment. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. I'm still going down the step. Is this a staircase? Is this a step? It looks like a shrine. Is it really a shrine? Oh, I love this. I love this. Hello. Good afternoon. Oh, God, well done. Yeah. I was given permission to take my video, to do my video. I was so like afraid, would they allow me to do this video? Yeah. And this is a gentleman I saw, and I told him, I said, go in and do your video, guys. Let's catch and have the fun together. Walking into the shrine with my two legs. Whoa, guys, so this is what is being sold here. Wow, it's an artwork. Beautiful artworks. Oh my God. This is amazing. Yeah, did you see that? Did you see this? Ooh. Okay, so that is just it. I don't enter, no wahala. I just like the environment. Nice environment. Did you see this? They call it artwork. Okay, well done. Let me buy something with you the other day. I just want video. Then I want, see, it's too big. Maybe you go reduce it for me, or do you have a smaller size? Okay, so guys, and they come. Let me just show what you're selling. This is beautiful. Are you seeing this? It's amazing sight. So I'm actually entering another shop. I want you to see how it looks. It looks in Abuja. Yes, this is in Abuja. Okay, so this is how. Whoa, they use hand to make this. So they're all handcraft jobs. Are you seeing this? Quite amazing. Quite amazing. So if you need the location of the place, you can put it in the comment section and I will give you the location of the place so you can come and get yours. Your prices are fair. Yeah, that's not expensive. This is a crocodile. Wow. Handmade crocodile bags. Anything you want. Handcraft work for your house. They're all, yeah. This is game. Yeah. Eh? Ayo game. Yeah. Wow. So this, wait till me this one. Rhino. Rhino.
Yes, the lion.
Wow. Yeah. Do people use hand now to make it?
It's hand, it's wood.
Wood.
Yeah. It's handmade.
Wow. Wow. This is nice. So everything here is hand.
It's handmade. Everything that you see here is made of hand.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Some are bronze with leather work. Yes.
But this one is not gold.
It's brass.
It's brass.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Guys, are you seeing this? This is amazing. Really amazing. Lovely boots. So you need the location. Just drop it in the comment section and I'll tell you where to come and buy to get it so you can get all this. The prices are not expensive. Okay, you want to know the price? Okay, let me ask.
Yeah.
Okay, I really don't know, but let's see. How much is this?
Like this one, we did 120,000.
It's 120,000
naira.
Okay, but we can price.
Yeah,
now.
you can price priceless.
But what's your last price? Your best price?
The best price 100,000.
100,000. Yeah. Wow, this is nice.
Yeah.
How about this?
This one 50,000.
50,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So the smaller it is, the price reduces.
Yeah,
this is elephant, guys.
No, this is lion.
No, this one.
Yeah,
this elephant. Then this one is small now.
This one is 10,000.
Oh, it's not that expensive. Okay. Wow. So we can just buy and keep in our houses and decorate it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that?
This is stone.
Stone.
Yeah.
Stone.
Yeah, it's stone, but the soft one, the one that inside if you dig ground. It sounds no one said that has this. So like in Niger, this Abuja, this kind of stone.
Wow.
It's not stone like this one.
Okay, it's not normal. It's not normal stone like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is nice. Yeah. So they get this kind of stone as well, Niger.
Yeah, Niger. Yeah,
okay.
Niger can get like Jigawa, Katsina, maybe they have this kind of stuff.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
So normally in Jos, Nasarawa, in Abuja here.
Yeah, this kind of stones. Yeah. All right. Wow. So all these ones, are they gel or brass or gold?
No,
do they wash?
They can't wash. That's how it is.
The price of this is it looks so fine.
Yeah, it depends which one.
This
Giraffe?
This small one. Okay, that's a giraffe.
Yeah, it's giraffe.
Wow. How much is it?
20,000.
It does not wash.
It can't wash. That's how it is. Like this one now, if you have like line, the small line, maybe with the killing, use white wrap.
Okay, it will shine again.
Or there's something that used to wash this brasso.
Okay.
Brasso. Put in the brasso, you wash it, you shine, you shine.
Wow.
Like how the wash go.
Yes.
Silver.
Yes. It will shine. Yeah. Wow. What is your name again?
Mahmoud.
Tell us your name.
Mahmoud. My name is Mahmoud.
Mahmoud. Yeah. Okay, Mahmoud. All right, no problem. Thank you so much. Oh God. So guys, did you see that? Actually here in the shop having fun and checking this out. So you need the location, as I said again, drop it in the comment section and I will give you the address. Wow, I am in the shop to get that's just my phone. All right guys, so it's just a short one. I'm going to be leaving and this is where I am. My weekend is actually fun. All right guys. Okay, so guys, I'm done. I am leaving. I am stepping out. Yes, I am stepping out. I'm done. Yeah. So, did you see the place? Did it look like a shrine? Did it look like a shrine? Quite interesting that I had to interview somebody today. Oh my god, this is amazing. So, this is the staircase. I'm actually climbing back. Yeah, that's how the staircase looks. Yeah. Oh, beautiful place. Beautiful place in Abuja. Yeah. The other amazing places you want me to show you? Where? Okay, guys. I said I don't want the video to be long. Stay tuned for more updates. Yeah. You know, it's a weekend, so I'm just strolling out. I came to visit this place. Then I'll go back to my hotel where I am because I came for a program in Abuja. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, follow this girl up, and you have more updates and fun of what is happening in anywhere I go. Wow. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this girl's video. I love you all. Bye.